Welcome back to Badger Hands Landscape. As you can see in this project, I am removing a bunch of broken up pieces of concrete that I previously jackhammered out of the way. Customers stated that they had drainage issues. For the past 70 years, the rain drain has just been pouring all of the rain from the one singular gutter on the front of the house directly onto the driveway. As you can see, it's got a bunch of cracks. It looks very worn. It's got a bunch of divots and discoloring on it. Basically, all of the water has just been chipping away and eroding over the past 70 years on this concrete driveway. The customer requested that we remove all of the concrete in a 6-foot strip and install permeable pavers instead. Stay tuned for the installation of those. As you can see in this clip, I'm raking up all of the larger pieces of concrete that aren't about 3/4 of an inch to an inch in total size. That way it compacts nice and tightly with a little bit of water mixed in, and we can get a good sub base for our pavers. Here's another angle of the 6-foot wide by 21-foot chunk of concrete that we had to cut out of the way and then jackhammer into smaller pieces to make it easier to manage. Make them small enough that I can put them into the wheelbarrow by myself, as I do work by myself on these projects. My poor little trailer was getting pretty overwhelmed by this job because it's a lot of weight for a pretty small trailer. But as you can see, all the large chunks of concrete have been removed. So we're going to get a better camera angle to show the raking of the smaller pieces. Here we go. Basically, I'm just picking up all the pieces that will not compact well together and just making sure all my edges are clean and everything is remotely level so that when I come to compact, it is much easier on myself. So make sure that you like and follow so that you can stay updated and see the end of this project.